I'm Guru Manikandan. This is my student Shanmugam. I'm going to start a new segment. In this segment, I'm going to talk about some movie scenes and explain about explain the techniques which they have used in movies, and will it work in a reality or not. I'm going to compare it with the reality. So the first video I'm going to make from Enter the Dragon, which I've seen before we start the video. So this is the first technique they used in the movie. From here, he did this up. Okay, so it's like that and this. Everybody liked that movie, Enter the Dragon. Still, everybody likes to watch it. And when I was a kid, I inspired by that movie first. Then I got interested to learn martial art. I liked that movie when I was a kid, and after that I started martial art when I was 18. And then after I learned some karate, and I was thinking why they are starting the fight like this. It's not a real thing, right? In a real fight, nobody going to start like this and go with the flow from there. Okay, it will be different in a real situation. He is going to throw the punch first. Okay, he's not going to start like this. Nobody going to start like this in a real fight. So I thought it's bullshit. It's not practical. But after years, when I trained in different martial arts, then I realized that it's not everything what we see in a movie or in a YouTube channels. When I put some videos also, I get comments from few people like questioning about my techniques. This will not work in a real situation. This is not the practical way of doing fighting like that. People say it's the same like that. I thought it will not work in a real fight when I was started learning karate. But after years, I realized that it's not about doing a real fight. It's a starting thing. It's nobody going to start like this, right? Okay, like this, and this is not going to be starting in real fight. But he's going to punch. Okay, punch me. Okay, so block and do the same attack. Okay, it's going to start from the punching every time. Okay, punch me. Okay, I'm going to do that and do this. Okay, from here, Okay, from here I'm going to break his posture and go with the next technique. That's what we should learn from the videos. What we see. Okay, without practicing the martial art for years, doing different martial arts, we will have too much stupid questions. We will think this will not work. This will not work. We'll put comments in others' videos, in YouTube videos and Facebook videos. When someone is demonstrating a video, we'll just say, no, it's bullshit. It will not work. This is not practical, because they don't know much. That's why they think it will not work. So most of the technique is like you cannot apply as the same you practice. Since we practice in the class, and some techniques we see in the movie, like this step. Okay, this is not going to happen as it is. And if we calculate the number of opportunities, number of techniques your opponent may start with, maybe like millions or billions way he can start, right? We cannot imagine everything and put it in our videos and put it in the movies. Okay, they will just put one idea. They will just create one idea and do it. Okay, but that you cannot think that it will not work in a real situation, because your opponent is not going to start like this. But he will start with different attack. We can do the same technique with against that. Okay, like we did now, punch with the right hand. So this is what the same technique from here. And the second technique is this. In the same movie, they are doing this. From here, first technique is going for the groin. Okay, block it. One. Then this is two. Then this is 3 and 4. This is what you do that faster. Here, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, go ahead. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is what Bruce Lee did in the movie, in the second step in the tournament scene. So this is same again. Okay, if it is a real fight, he's going to start with a punching. Punch me. Okay, I'm going to block and go with the strike. Mostly this will itself work. Okay, he will reach it. If he's too good, too skilled, so he will block it. So then I had to do the energy flow to go to the face. Okay, if he's too good, again he will block it. If he's maybe he may not block it because they're practicing it, and it is a choreography in a movie. They are cooperating each other. Okay, he cannot block it. Okay, if he's too good in real, energy flow, he'll block it. Okay, then you have to do the energy flow. Okay, you are controlling his both arms. No, he cannot do anything. You'll just hit, and this is not the end of the game. Okay, from here you'll go with other punch, other elbow, and control fully and finish the fight. Everything we see in the movies and YouTube channels and Facebook, it's not like it will not work 100% or it will work 100%. Okay, also some like we think some bullshit also is there in the internet, or some people do whatever they think will work. Okay, I'm not telling everything you see in the video and movies will work. Okay, so this is the first scene I have taken and show how it can be applied in a real situation, and I'm gonna take different scenes from different martial movies and going to explain it. Okay, this will be very interesting. I hope you like this video. Please press like button and subscribe the channel and share it to your friends. I'll meet you in my next video. Until then, bye bye from Guru Manigaran and Parasan.